You can hand someone a stack of messy papers and hope for the best, or you can hand them this and make a really good first impression. And to make this, it only takes about 90 seconds. This is the Unibind 120. It can bind up to 120 sheets at one time, and it adds the upgrade of a manual crimper so you can get a cleaner, tighter finish. It can run up to 4 documents at one time, so you can run small batches instead of doing it one at a time, because who has the time for that? It works with the full Peleman cover system. Spine, flex, soft, hard, full color custom, so you can match the finish with the moment. The key upgrade here is the crimping. It tightens the spine so that it gives your final product a more clean, polished, professional look. It's a small detail, but it changes the final result completely. So here's how it works. I'm using a hardcover for this one, but the process is the same across the system. You just align your pages, slide them into the cover, and insert it into the machine. And once it clicks, you're off duty for 90 seconds. You can go reheat your sad office coffee, reply to that one lingering email, or do what I do and just stare off into the abyss for 90 seconds. Whatever makes you feel most productive. Once it's done binding, move it over to the crimper and pull down the lever to tighten the spine. Then give it about 10 seconds on the cooling rack so everything sets properly. And that's really it. It finishes itself so you don't have to stand around and babysit the process. Same content, different energy. This opens flat, feels substantial in hand, and reads as a polished presentation. The finish changes the reaction. Hard covers feel premium. Flex and soft covers are great for reports or training materials. Full color customs make branding and photography really stand out. The Unibind 120 lets you switch between them all quickly, even in small batches. This machine is great for professionals, small teams, or anyone who regularly produces internal documents or client-facing materials. Not quite a factory-level system, but we have larger models for that. Unibind 120, more capacity, crisper finish, zero drama. Turn a messy stack into something that actually feels finished. Try one, see the difference.